how to link and connect multiple boards on monday.com. This is what we are going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to go on these three lines that are located up above, and you can click it. Now you have to make sure that all of these lines are just make ticked. So if any of this is not on this place, then you cannot make a new column. Then you have to go on this plus icon, that is add column icon, and there is down here an option of connect boards. You have to click over here. As you click on collect boards, you have to select a board. Let's say I am selecting this one. Now I have to click on connect boards, and I can do a mirror column of it, or I will do it later by clicking on I will do it later, and I can connect this item by item 2 and then hit on collect and then go on stock, whatever I want to do with it. And then this will go on like this. I can connect multiple boards with each other by this method. This is how I can do multiple boards on monday.com. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section. Also, don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.